But if such a thing exists, it's in Wan Shitong's library.
Then it's settled. And I do believe it's my turn. I'd like to spend my vacation at the library!
Hey, what about me? When do I get to pick?
You gotta work here a little longer before you qualify for vacation time.
Of course, there's the matter of finding it. I've made several trips into the Siwang Desert and almost died each time. I'm afraid that desert's impossible to cross.
Professor, would you like to see our sky bison?
A sky bison? You actually have one? Sandbenders, shoo! Away from the bison! Tell me, Sky Bison, are you the last of your breed? Oh, delightful! I only wish I spoke his tongue. Oh, the stories this beast couldn't tell. Shush, Chatty Monkey.
Wow, shouldn't be too hard to find a place like this out here. Does this place even exist?